The Ryobi folding area light is the perfect addition to your OnePlus collection. Working through a power cut, outside late at night, or underneath your car, the folding area light is bright enough to guide you in the dark. It has 2 light banks, each containing 10 high-power LEDs that can be lit together or individually. This, along with its ability to stand, fold, or hang almost anywhere with the 3 hooks, means you can use both hands in a well-lit environment. The light banks produce up to 850 lumens, and it is ideal for use at a range of up to 4 meters, perfect for your workshop or garage. And when using our 5 amp-hour Lithium Plus battery, this light will brighten up any space for over 7 hours. This area light is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your OnePlus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the OnePlus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this innovative cordless area light will work with any OnePlus battery.